Out of moral obligation and divine commitment, Songe Haiti organization was founded on October 2012 to help Haitians help themselves through education, economic development, and health promotion. Our focus is on rural areas of Haiti, and through education, we started to help university students from rural villages of Haiti to have a bachelor or an associate degree. And in 2011, we launched SIGMA Community School of Hope under a tent with 30 students, and as of 2022, we have a total of 325 students and soon high school. We make sure that we provide quality education to students in remote villages of Haiti, where everybody can have the same chance. And besides education, we have extracurricular activities where students can learn non-technical skills when they are in school. That's why we have several workshops where they learn how to sew, how to make different products, arts, crafts, and dance. And parents also learn about, and there cannot be quality education without parent involvement. And we ensure that we provide literacy programs to parents using the Goûter program so that parents can be involved in the educational development of their children. And we ensure that we equip parents with necessary tools they need so that they can walk out of extreme poverty. So we have the program Koe Mama is empowering mothers to secure a brighter future for their children, where we teach them how to make different products. CLM program, which is a pathway out of poverty, is the core of all of our economic development activities. For 18 months, we provide weekly mentoring to members so that they can define their own destiny, create own dreams in Haiti with pride and dignity. So we make sure by 18 months they have a plan for the future. No more malnourished children at the household, access to a saving account. They also have an increase of 40% of the revenue of the income of the assets that we invested on them from the beginning, and the children can be in school. And we make sure they are responsibilized to continue on their own. And this is really how Songe Haiti help families to help themselves through education, economic development, and health promotion.